I'm upgrading my gaming setup, so I'm going to be doing unboxings on a few items. First off, we have the Razer Ironclad mousepad. I saw a lot of good reviews on this mousepad, so I decided to purchase it. It retails for around $50 to $60, depending, I guess, on where you get it from. This is one of the more higher end and higher priced mousepads on the market, but the reviews were good, so you know, I had to get it. First off, it says ultra smooth sandblasted surface, so that's pretty unique. You guys aren't here to stare at the box all day, so let's go ahead and get started. It comes packaged in, of course, the box that you just saw, and this neat little carrying case and protective case. And the case has foam on the lower and upper, so it's not gonna go anywhere and it's not gonna get damaged. Like, I don't care, it's a mouse pad. Like, I guess it's neat to have. It's aluminum. It's really hard. It's not flimsy at all. The only writing on it is the logo in the upper right. That's it. The bottom is rubberized. And it's pretty thin. Well, that's about it. I guess this right here is the certificate of authenticity. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.